Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shakola, and today I'm going to share with you some tips and benefits in regards to staying healthy during these very difficult times. Right now, food prices are skyrocketing. I'm talking about almost $8 for a carton of eggs, not to mention everything else that's going on around in the world. So stay tuned. Tip number one, meal prepping is a very vital part in regards to maintaining your health. And it also promotes maintaining and losing weight. So more times we come in from work, we're tired, we're stressed, we don't feel like cooking, doing the whole big shebang. So what we do is we go and grab something quick. How many times have we grabbed something quick and it was actually healthy? None. Let's be honest, none. So my suggestion would be meal prep. You get together your food portions, you balance out your veggies, you balance out your complex carbs, you balance out your meats, and you balance out your salads. That way you'll have them ready when you come back from the gym, when you come back from work, when you come from wherever you're coming from. You just go in the fridge, pull it out, pop it into the microwave, slide it into convection oven, boom, it's done. You don't have to think what I'm gonna eat or what are the kids gonna eat, because you already have it prepared. And you wanna kind of have that ready Monday through at least Wednesday. Saving time. It saves so much time so that you'll have more time to help your children with homework. You'll have more time to play in the park. You'll have more time to do whatever you need to do with whatever you need to do with your time. Tip number two, water. Our body is made up of at least 80% of water, so that means we need to have at least anywhere from 7 to 8 glasses of water a day. It promotes healthy skin, so all my people out there suffering with acne, drink your water. And not only does it help promote healthy skin, how about this? It helps remove the waste from the system. It helps get all of those bad toxins and sugars out of the body. I know sometimes it's hard to chug that bottle of water, but let me tell you, add some lemon to the water. That also helps promote and give you a happy gut. And I know it's hard to get down, so what I like to do is I'll carry my gallon of water with me to the gym. I'll carry it with me outside. I carry it with me to work, guys. And I'm making sure I'm sipping on it. I'm getting it down every day, daily. And by 9 p.m., it's over. My gallon is done. I don't have to worry about it no more. This helps promote healthy living, guys. Get your water in. Tip number 3, sleep is another very important and vital part of health. Our body needs anywhere from 6 to 8 hours of sleep a day. Sleeping repairs the body and prepares the body for the next day. It also promotes healthy skin. It also promotes energy. Who doesn't want energy? I mean, come on. Energy is what we all need to push through that workout, to push through work and whatever else we need to push through throughout the day. Sleep is very vital, and my suggestion, if you can get it in, get it in. More than often, we neglect this. We need to have our sleep 6 to 8 hours a day, guys. Get your rest in. Tip number 4, you guys are not going to like me for this, but let me tell you this. We need to have alcohol-free days. You cannot get up every day or come home from work and decide to grab the bottle and tip it into that cup. No. If you're looking to have a healthy lifestyle, a happy gut, you got to find days that you're going to not have alcohol. I mean, the weekend is fine if you're going to go out with your friends, you guys have 1 to 2 glasses of wine. Hey, that's enough. Alcohol, whatever you guys choose to have, just limit yourself. If you want to have a happy gut, no more food for ladies, because I know we're sick of that. Chunky arms, big chin, alcohol doesn't promote that. And also leads to type 2 diabetes. Who wants diabetes? We want to be able to eat what we want to eat in a healthy way. Alcohol-free days, guys. If you like the content I shared with you today, even though the alcohol might have pissed you off a little bit. If you like the content I share with you today and you would like to hear more of it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think. And don't just comment about the alcohol-free days. Later.